What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. This feature is particularly handy for data entry, as it allows you to maintain consistency and accuracy by providing a set of predefined options for users to choose from. First, decide on the data you want to include in your drop-down list. It's good practice to organize your data in a separate sheet within your workbook for clarity and easy management. So, start by adding a new sheet, which you might name anything, depending on the type of data it contains. Now, switch back to the worksheet where you want the drop-down list to appear. This could be a questionnaire of any form where you require users to select from one of the predefined answers. Click on a cell where you want the drop-down list to be. This is where users will make their selection. Navigate to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon, which is at the top of your Excel window. Here, you'll find the Data Validation button grouped under the Data Tools section. Click on Data Validation and a dialog box will appear. In this box, go to the Settings tab and choose List from the drop-down menu under Allow. Next, you need to link this drop-down list to your data. Click on the Source field and then click on a small icon on the right side to select your data range. This action lets you navigate to the sheet you created earlier. Select all the cells that contain the data. Press Enter to confirm your selection and close the source selection window. Click OK in the Data Validation dialog box and you're all set. The cell you selected on your main worksheet will now have a drop-down icon. Clicking on this cell will allow you to choose from the months listed. Once you set up your drop-down list, Excel restricts input to only those options defined in your list. If a user attempts to enter a different value, Excel will not accept it, ensuring data integrity. This method not only helps in maintaining accurate data entries, but also makes your Excel sheet look professional and user-friendly. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.